Are you looking for a new crypto project to farm? In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a TrendBTC account and claim your free Trend token rewards. The registration is free and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. Open your browser and visit the official TrendBTC website. I will put the registration link in the description box of this video. You have three ways to register. You can sign up via Google, Twitter, or using your email address. Please don't forget to use our referral code, which I will be showing here on the screen. You can enter it before creating your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you may receive a welcome bonus like this. Simply tap Claim 2000 Trend to instantly add the reward to your account. These promotional bonuses may only be available for a limited time, so don't miss them. To unlock all available tasks, connect your Twitter account. TrendBTC requires this to access community activities, trend boxes, and future withdrawals, so it is recommended to connect it as early as possible. Once you're done connecting your Twitter account, tasks available will be unlocked. Complete every available task to accumulate more trend points. Check back regularly because new campaigns and community missions may be added over time. That's it! Your TrendBTC account is now ready. You have already claimed your welcome reward and you're all set to start farming trend points. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any latest crypto airdrop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day, everyone.